How to fix you can't use this feature right now Facebook error. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can fix your issue of your feature not being available on your Facebook and you're not being able to use that feature. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So in order to fix that issue, the very first thing I want you to do is just check if there is any update available for the Facebook, because maybe one of the reasons is because you haven't updated your app, so you are not able to access the new feature onto your Facebook. So for that, you just need to get back to Play Store. After getting back to Play Store, just go to the search bar and search for Facebook. After searching for Facebook, just tap on it and look if there is any kind of update available. If any update is available, just tap on update and wait for the update to be completed and see if that fixes your issue. If that doesn't do it, I just want you to go to the app info of the app, just long press on it and tap on app info. After that, just scroll down until you see this storage option. Just tap on storage and clear the cache. After clearing cache, the last option you can do is, if this method doesn't work, just restart your phone and maybe one of these methods is gonna work for your device of your Facebook, one of the features not being available. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.